Hello, beautiful people. Nearly half of American adults have high blood pressure, also called hypertension, according to the American Heart Association. You have high blood pressure when the amount of blood pumped by the heart is done with excessive force or pressure. Blood pressure readings have two numbers. Systolic number, the pressure in your blood vessels when your heart contracts. Diastolic number, the pressure in your arteries when your heart relaxes between beats. A high systolic 130 and over or diastolic 80 and over number is considered high blood pressure. But because hypertension does not show any symptoms in the beginning, many people are not even aware of the problem unless it turns out to be serious. This is why it is known as a silent killer. So, experts recommend getting your blood pressure checked as part of your regular checkups. If you are age 18 or older, ask your doctor about checking your blood pressure every 2 years. If you are age 40 or older, you'll want to check your reading once a year. There are several factors that contribute to high blood pressure, such as genetics, stress, poor diet, smoking and an active lifestyle, to name a few. If you have one or more risk factors, you need to have your blood pressure checked more often as it increases your risk of several health problems, such as a heart attack, a stroke, diabetes, heart failure, kidney disease, vision loss and metabolic syndrome. Healthy dietary changes can help manage and prevent high blood pressure. For instance, several herbs and spices can help control it without causing any side effects. 1. Garlic. Garlic is an herb that offers blood pressure lowering benefits. It helps relax the blood vessels by stimulating the production of nitric oxide, which in turn lowers blood pressure, especially systolic pressure. A 2011 study published in Pharmacognosy Reviews found that garlic helps increase nitric oxide production, resulting in smooth muscle relaxation and vasodilatation. Another study published in Integrated Blood Pressure Control in 2014 found that a sulfur deficiency might play a part in causing hypertension, and it could be alleviated with supplementation of organosulfur compounds derived from garlic. Not just blood pressure, garlic is also beneficial for improving blood circulation, lowering cholesterol levels and preventing heart disease. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is another spice that may bring your blood pressure numbers down. This potent antioxidant can reduce hypertension, thanks to the presence of cinnamaldehyde and other water-soluble organic compounds. A 2006 study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition reports that cinnamon may have additional roles in glucose metabolism and blood pressure regulation. A 2013 study published in Nutrition reports that consumption of cinnamon is associated with a notable reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Although cinnamon shows hopeful effects for blood pressure lowering potential. 3. Hibiscus. Different cultures across the world have used hibiscus for ages to manage blood pressure. But today, research has also proven the benefit of hibiscus. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that regular intake of hibiscus tea helps lower blood pressure in pre- and mildly hypertensive adults. In a 2015 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Hypertension, researchers found that drinking hibiscus tea significantly lowered both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Apart from having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, hibiscus also has diuretic properties that help the kidneys remove excess sodium from the body, thus lowering your blood pressure. 4. Hawthorne. Hawthorne is another herb that is good for your heart, especially if you have hypertension. This herb is rich in flavonoids and quercetin that help reduce arterial blood pressure and the risk of hypertension. A 2002 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that hawthorn extract showed a promising reduction in resting diastolic blood pressure. It also helped reduce anxiety. 5. Basil. To keep your blood pressure level in check, you can also use the herb basil. With significant amounts of ursolic acid and eugenol, basil can help reduce symptoms of hypertension. It also promotes calmness and reduces stress, which also help in keeping your blood pressure readings under control. A 2010 study published in Hypertension Research found that the effects of basil on blood pressure, cardiac hypertrophy and endothelin-1 are consistent with an effect on an endothelin-converting enzyme, and warrant further exploration. 6. Cardamom. Cardamom is another effective spice that helps control hypertension. This is most likely due to the heavy concentration of flavonoids in cardamom. It also has potassium, a mineral that is required to regularize your heart rate and keep your blood pressure under control. In addition, the spice is linked to lower levels of stress and depression, which can also be factors behind hypertension. A 2009 study published in the Indian Journal of Biochemistry and Biophysics found that participants who were given powdered cardamom daily for several months saw significant reductions in their blood pressure. 7. Cat's claw. In traditional Chinese medicine, the use of cat's claw to treat high blood pressure is very common. Also, this herb helps inhibit platelet aggregation and blood clot formation, which makes it effective at warding of heart attacks and strokes. A 2011 study published in Pharmacognosy Reviews show that cat's claw can help reduce your blood pressure by acting on the calcium channels inside cells. Another tips to reduce high blood pressure: eat a heart-healthy, low-sodium diet. Include foods high in potassium and magnesium in your diet. Get at least 30 minutes of physical activity 3 days a week. Do not smoke, as this can damage the walls of your blood vessels. Limit your intake of alcoholic drinks. Do your best to maintain a healthy body weight. Keep stress under control by learning stress management techniques, such as deep breathing, yoga and meditation. Get 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep daily. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.